Okay, let's have a quick look at the European indices this morning, both weak again, but FTSE, all the FTSE's done is it's taken out the 618 and it's coming down towards the 764 retrace at 7098. So while we're above that, I don't really have any question marks over this count that we've got a 1, 2, and we're going to head up higher, much higher in the 3 in the diagonal after probably another squiggle to the downside. And if I just come down to an hourly chart, this is playing out nicely in terms of I've got this ending diagonal here in the FTSE with the 1, 2, ABC3, ABC4, AB, and this is just an extended C wave, but these fibs down here are for the diagonal. We've just about got to the 1618. The 1764 lines up pretty well with that 7098 within 6 or 7 points of it. So possibly another 4 or 5 to come in the FTSE, and then we should, if the primary count is correct, have bottomed. And if we also look here, the 3618 for this move here also lines up with the 1764 fib. So the 7100 area is the next area of interest in the UK FTSE now. Now the DAX, I'm going to take it up to a daily chart. The DAX may have stick saved its count this morning. Sorry, that's the wrong count. This is the main count. While we're above this red line, this can still be a 2 back. Bear in mind, the whole thing's a diagonal. We do expect deep, and I mean deep, retraces in a diagonal. This is spiked underneath the 786 this morning and is recovering above it. So if we get a daily close above that at 11888, I'm still going to give this count the benefit of the doubt. But it's, you know, the alternative, which is what Bill Adlard posted in the forum yesterday, this diagonal, may only have a small amount lower to go, although it may need to do it as quite a high retrace up to around the 12.3 and then a final C down just to wrong foot everyone. And this 4 is not in yet. And then we start the move to 15,000 or so in the DAX. So we're at quite a critical point in the DAX at the moment, and just watching that.